Students, welcome back to our science class. In our previous class, we have studied about the excretory system of humans. Okay, do you remember what we have studied in that? हमने क्या पढ़ा था excretory system के बारे में? In excretory system, the different organs, the excretory organs performs their functions just like kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and the urethra. Okay, and through that system our body waste are removed from our body. So that we have studied in our previous class. Now today we are going to start the new topic, that is the transports of substance in the plants. All of you know that कि how the water, you know very well कि water and nutrients are transports in plant, okay, from root through the leaves. पूरे मतलब क्या होता है कि प्लांट में वाटर एंड मिनरल्स ट्रांसपोर्ट होते हैं एंड इवन फूड आल्सो ट्रांसफर टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. बट हाउ इट ट्रांसपोर्ट means what is how the transportation of this substance is occurs, so that topic we will see today in our today's topic, okay, today's class. Okay, so our topic first, transport of water and minerals. All of you know that plants absorb this water and minerals from the roots. किससे absorb करते हैं वो? root से absorb करते हैं. Okay, so root have the root hairs and that root hair it increase the surface area for this absorption of substances. Understood? Means root hair क्या करते हैं? सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीज करते हैं फॉर व्हाट? फॉर द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेस. ओके, एंड दिस रूट एयर इज कॉन्टैक्ट विद द वाटर विच प्रेजेंट इन द सॉइल पार्टिकल्स. अंडरस्टूड? So now here in plants you will come to know that there are two types of cells are present which performs these functions of transporting different substances. So which are these two cells? कौन से होते हैं वो? The one is xylem and another one is phloem. Okay, so now we will see its function one by one. Plants have the actually means it's have the pipe like vessels which carries or which transport the water and the nutrients from the soil. Okay, जो water हम soil में देते हैं, so plant क्या करते हैं? They absorb the water from the soil. Okay, and that water is transport through the vessels. ओके, वेसल्स किससे बनते हैं? वेसल्स आर मेड अप ऑफ डिफरेंट स्पेशल सेल्स known as the vascular tissues. Okay, and these tissues are nothing but what? Tissue is nothing but the group of cells. ओके, एंड इट परफॉर्म देयर ओन फंक्शन. वो जो टिश्यूज़ होते हैं वो अपना फंक्शंस परफॉर्म करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस वेस्कुलर टिश्यूज़ इट ट्रांसपोर्ट्स वाटर एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स. जो वेस्कुलर टिश्यूज़ होते हैं जो वाटर एंड मिनरल्स न्यूट्रिएंट्स ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं, सो दैट वेस्कुलर टिश्यूज़ आर नोन एज xylem. Okay, and the different vascular tissues which transport the food are known as phloem. Okay, means two types के tissues होते हैं, one is xylem, another one is phloem. Xylem transport what? Xylem transport water and nutrients, and phloem transport the food. Understood? Means in plants there are two types of cells which performs their own different function. One kind of cells transport water and the nutrients, and another type of cell that transport the food. Understood? Means the food has to be transported to all the body parts of the plant by the phloem. Okay, you know very well in plants by which process the food is prepared? By the photosynthesis process. Okay, हमने सबको पता है कि हमें पता है कि we know that in plants photosynthesis process is carried out in which green plants makes the food by using carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so that food is transported to all the parts of the plant by the which kind of tissues? Phloem tissues. Understood? So these are the functions of xylem and the phloem. So we can show that how the transportation of water is carried through the cells. So by activity 11.3, Okay, so by this activity we can show that how the transportation is carried out through the cells. So for this activity what we need one potato. Okay, firstly what we have to do, we have to peel off its outer skin. हमें उसके जो भी outer skin मतलब जो छिलका होता है उसको remove करना है. Okay, afterward we have to cut that one end of and we have to make it the base flat. उसको cut करके उसका flat क्या करना है, base क्या करना है, flat करना है. Okay, आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी हैव टू मेक द हॉलो कैविटी. उसके अंदर एक हॉलो कैविटी बनानी है. देन इन दैट कैविटी वी हैव टू फिल द मीन्स हाफ ऑफ द कैविटी वी हैव टू फिल द शुगर सॉल्यूशन. ओके, एंड अप वी हैव टू मार्क अप टू दैट वी हैव टू पुट द शुगर सॉल्यूशन. सो टिल दैट लेवल वी हैव टू पुट द मार्क. हमें मार्क करना है और बाय इंसर्ट द पिन, हमें एक पिन इंसर्ट करने ताकि हमें पता चले कि एट व्हाट लेवल वी हैव इंसर्टेड द शुगर सॉल्यूशन. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ वी हैव टू कीप दैट पोटैटो इन वन बाउल. ओके, एंड इन दैट बाउल वी हैव टू टेक द वाटर. Afterwards, but before that, firstly you have to make sure that the level of the water, it should be below of the level of the pin. Okay, जहाँ तक हमने शुगर सॉल्यूशन भरा है उसके नीचे तक वाटर लेवल होना चाहिए. अंडरस्टूड, जस्ट लाइक शोन इन द फिगर 11.8. Okay, now we have to keep this apparatus and set up for the some time, means nearly for half an hour. Okay, after half an hour if you will observe that, what change you will find, that क्या दिखेगा आपको? You will find that the level of the sugar solution has increased. Okay, means why? Because water is moved from high concentration to low concentration. That means from one cell to another cell. So that is why the level of the sugar solution has increased. Okay, so by this activity what we can show, that we can show that the transportation of water is carried through the cells, through the cells. Okay, the cells के थ्रू क्या होता है, वाटर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन होता है. सो बाय दिस एक्टिविटी वी कैन प्रूव दिस. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, दैट इज द ट्रांसपिरेशन. ओके, सो व्हाट इज मीन बाय ट्रांसपिरेशन, दैट वी विल सी. We know that plants takes the water from the soil. Okay, but whatever that they have taken the water from soil, it is not used by all the water. जो भी water उन्होंने लिया है वो पूरा water use नहीं होता है, and some of the water gets evaporate through the transpiration process. Means what? क्या होता है कि like through the leaves the water vapors gets released. Okay, the water vapor get released through the leaves from the leaves of the plants. Okay, and this process is known as a transpiration process. You know what is the use of this transpiration process? क्या होता है इससे? it cools the plant. मतलब जो वाटर वेपर्स रिमूव होते हैं, रिलीज होते हैं प्लांट्स के थ्रू, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट प्रोसेस द प्लांट्स गेट्स कूल. ओके, इट मेंटेन इट्स टेम्परेचर. Understood? So releasing of the water vapor through the plants is known as a which process? Transpiration process. Okay, and this transpiration generates the force which pulls water absorbed by the roots from the soil to reach the stem and the leaves. Okay, so here our chapter is completed. Now in our next class we will complete its exercise and the question answers. I hope you have understood this chapter. What we have studied in this chapter, क्या क्या पढ़ा था हमने इस चैप्टर में? In transportations, firstly we have studied about the blood cells, then the blood vessels, then function of the heart. Afterwards we have studied about the excretory system, and the last topic was the transportations of substance in plants. Okay, so I hope you have understood this chapter well. Now in our next class we will continue its question answers and the exercise. Okay, thank you.